Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka Agarwal, an intern at Peterson Securities Private Limited, under the mentorship of Bala Sir. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Winstars. Today, in Decoded US Tariffs and the Global Impact, let's revisit the US-China trade war to understand what really happened and why it changed global trade forever. The US-China trade war reignited in 2025 is a powerful case study in how economic battles reshape the world. With the US slapping tariffs as high as 145% on Chinese imports and China responding with 125% tariffs on US goods, the result was swift and severe. Trade between the two nations dropped nearly 50% in just 1 year. US exports fell 17% and economic output declined by 1.6%. Consumers felt the pinch too, with prices rising 5.5% as companies passed on their higher cost. The first lesson is simple. Trade wars are costly, especially for consumers in export dependent sectors. While the US aimed to protect key industries and confront unfair practices, losing access to low-cost suppliers and international buyers has hurt American businesses and households all alike. China has also been impacted, but less dramatically. Its economy, more diversified and less reliant on US trade, absorbed the shock better. Yet, both economies are facing slower growth and greater uncertainty. The second lesson that I learned was tariffs disrupt supply chains. Companies are forced to reroute their production, seek new suppliers, and manage delays, often leading to reduced efficiency and higher cost. Finally, the big takeaway is that prolonged trade conflicts weaken economies on both sides, even if the intent is strategic. Cooperation, negotiation, and targeted enforcement of trade rules tend to produce better long term outcomes than broad tariff wars. The 2025 US China conflict highlights how economic strength and global stability rely not just on competition but also on smart diplomacy, stable markets, and mutual trade interest.